Alrighty then, my awesome students. So it's time for us to create a database and create a new table in there and some connections. Are you guys ready? All right, let's do this. First of all, let's go back to the home page real quick. And in between all this stuff, I want to make sure that hold on. Actually, I want to make sure that I have no spaces there. I'm actually organizing the code just a little bit. All right, so the first thing is that I want to create a connection to my database, right? But I don't have a database yet, so let's go ahead and create one. Let's go to MAMP and PHP admin. That's where I am here. And I'm going to create a database called SMS. Enter. The table is going to be called verifications. I'm going to have two columns. First column is going to be name ID. I'm going to click on auto increment or AI. I'm going to press go. This is going to be name code. I'm going to make sure it's a varchar, maybe 200 characters, and save. Done. That's how easy it is. And I hope that you guys are, the ones that are watching this already have some experience with PHP. If you don't, take my PHP for Beginners course, Become a Master. That's what the course name is. And you can look at it. It's if you go to codingfaculty.com, you should be able to see it there, or in any platform that you are looking at it, okay, that you are looking this through. Right here, this is the PHP course, okay. That's the same course that probably you are taking somewhere else in another platform, but you can see the color here, it says PHP, okay. But anyway, so let's go and take that out. And we don't need this anymore. Actually, we're gonna leave that there because when we create the new connection, we make a record. I want to show you. So let's create a connection here. I'm gonna create a variable to save some of that information to check, to test. So I'm gonna use my SQLi. You can use whatever driver you want or API, or database API. We got the host, then we need the username. Now guys, you see these gray letters here, or words, host, username. This is my IP IDE, my text editor, putting this automatically there just for my information. It's not there in reality. Okay, it's just telling me, hey, listen, this is where you put the host, this is where you put the username. It's just a way of the IDE helping me. Okay, this is the password and the database I want to connect to. Now I'm just going to check here, and I'm going to say if the connection has some type of error, I want you to kill the whole page with the error. That's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so that way I know the error. Else connected. Right there. Let's see. If I go to home page, you see it says connected. If I make, my database is weird and I press unknown database. Okay. So yeah, that's working. Perfect. So I got that done there. The next thing to do would be to create the connection, to create a field in that database, a record. So in the code.php page, let's go and do that. I'm gonna do it right here above. And I'm gonna say, well, I'm gonna access my con variable, my connection. I'm gonna create a query. The query is gonna say insert, this is SQL, into verification is my table name. Column name is code. The values function is going to take in the code that I made on top there, the variable. See that variable right here? That's what I'm taking right there to that column. Okay, so now let's go and make sure that we are on the home page. If I press code, code, it says message has been sent. Now if I go back to my database, click on that again and browse, you can see that some code was created. Okay, and if you go to your Google Voice or your phone, you're gonna see this code that was sent as well. Okay, all right, perfect. So on the next lecture, we are going to attack this verify page here. We're gonna create a little form there that's gonna take a code. It's gonna take that code and the one that you got on your phone or your computer, and it's going to verify it against our database information that we got. Okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lecture, guys.